today I'm going to show you how to make a website and how to get your own like domain. So basically, I'm just going to go website tutorial, check availability, and as you can see here, like these all down here, they'll cost you, I think it's $8.88 a year, a month, I don't know, I think it's a year for these ones. But right here, these are all the free ones. So I'm gonna go with TK, get it now. You're gonna go up to checkout. Alright, then you're gonna go get up to 12 months free, and you gotta pay. Alright, so there it is. Click continue, and then now, hold up, oh man. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get and how to set up a new domain, and not just a domain but like a website, and I'll show you how to set it up too. So you want to go to freenom.com, put the link in the description for you, and then you enter whatever you want your website to be. So I'm going to go website tutorial, and check availability, and these 5 domains, as you can see, they're free, but these all down here, they cost money. I think like $8.38. I don't know if that's a year or if that's per year or if that's per month. I think it's per year. I don't know. It's pretty cheap, but I don't want to spend money on it. But I'm gonna go with TK. Like, you got TK, ML, GA, CF, and GQ. I'm gonna go with TK. You get it now. And you're gonna go to checkout. Now, like see right here, 3 months ad free. You can get up to 12 months free, and you gotta pay. But so 12 months free. Don't mess with this stuff just yet. See website tutorial.tk, and then you get 12 months free. Continue, and then you can either use Google, you can use your email address. I'm going to use a temporary email. Verify. Verification link. Go right here. Deal. Well, you don't have to do this. I'm just doing this. But what you want to do is you want to go to your email, and you'll basically get a verification link. So confirm your email with this link. Go here. And there we go. So I'm going to stop the video and put in my information. So yeah. Alright, now once you've done that, you want to go to complete order. I'll confirm my password. 1 sec. Alright, now I have read and I agreed. I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Make sure it's checked, and then click complete order. Alright, client area. and then my domains, and there's that. So there we have that. But I'm going to 1 second. Alright, so I had to reopen the temporary mail thing. So now you want to sign up for GitHub? No, don't. I'm just going to blur that out instead of stopping the video for 5 seconds. No, stop. Okay, I have to blur that out now. Stop! Website tutorial. 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2. Alright. Come on. Come on. No, thank you. Create account. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I said that. I don't really need it. Can you load, like, for real? Just load. Verify. And you're gonna have to find not 7. Big brain moment time. Or 7. 6. Oh, that was wrong. That was incorrect. That's right. I know. Quiet. I'm not the biggest of brains. Okay. 6. Oh, right here. Okay. 5, 6. Okay. Big brain moment. Alright, you join. You probably won't have to go through all this. Because I was dumb. Whatever. I don't care. You guys do what you want. Unless you have your own GitHub account, then you don't really, it doesn't really matter. GitHub. Okay, verify. Now, what you want to do is you want to go up here. New repository. You're going to go, like, whatever your website name is. So we're going to go website tutorial.github.io. Just like that. And you're going to do add a readme file and a license. I mean, you don't need a license, but you can if you want. If you really wanted to, you could. Alright, here we go. Create repository. Wait for it to load. Alright, there. Now we have this set up. Alright, got it. Now I'm gonna go to settings. I'm gonna scroll all the way down here. I'm gonna choose main, root, save. That sets it up now. There, now we have that. Okay, custom domain. We're gonna have to, I'll show you how to set this up in just a second. Alright, so 1 second. Okay, so now you want to go to freenom.com, click on services, My Domains, and you should see your domain right here. You want to go over to Manage Domain, and then right here, Manage Freenom DNS. Add records are here. You want to create 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and enter these IP addresses. By the way, leave the name blank. Just leave it blank and leave all this stuff. Just the IP address. That's the first one. Second one. And if you can't memorize these, it's pretty easy. It's just 108, 109, and so on. That's the easiest way to remember it. 111. So just like that. Save changes. Oops. Come on. Load, please. All I can think of is like that. I don't know. Has anybody seen Jeopardy? Does anybody watch that show anymore? All I can think of is that Jeopardy show. Alright, we got those saved. Now you want to go back to GitHub, custom domain, and my domain that I picked right here is just the websearchtutorial.tk. Copy that and put whatever your domain is, put it in right here. I'm gonna go paste it, save, and it should work just like that. Huh? I'm gonna figure this problem out and see if I can get my my account fixed. 1 second. Alright guys, so it's still flagged, but it's still working enough for me to do what I'm doing. So there we got that. Now we're going to create the actual website. So here I'll show you how. Hey guys, now I'll show you how to get that actual website set up. So what you're going to do is you're going to do new folder, and you name it what you want. The folder name doesn't really matter at all. So I'm just going to do folder tutorial, and then you want to open this up. New. Well, no, you don't really need to do that. Alright, so there's that. Now, well, I'll leave that open. Now, you can use any text editor you want, really. I don't recommend using Notepad because it doesn't have the stuff that you need. It doesn't have the proper syntax and whatever. But you can use Visual Studio Code. I'm gonna be using brackets, or you can use like Notepad++ or something. I'll put all the links in the description for that. Basically, here, and I wanna open up the folder. Select folder. Alright, now you're going to do new file, and you're going to call it index.html. Alright, now you got that. You're going to do a new folder, you're going to do CSS. And inside that folder, you're going to do new file, we're going to do index.css. Right, there we go. Right. And I'm going to open this up in my browser, just so it's easier for me to see what happened. So you're gonna do, well, here. I'll link the what's it called? I'll link the extension, but I have an extension where I can do like an HTML template. So hold up. Alright, so better HTML template. There we go. So yeah, there we got that. So like I said, doc type HTML. We don't really need the lang. That's language. UTF-8 title. We're gonna go website tutorial. You do what you want because it's your website, but you don't have to do that. Okay, get rid of that. We don't need that. You're gonna right here where it says link rel style sheet, the href. That's where it gets it from. You're gonna type index. You're gonna type slash css slash index.css, just like that. Icon. You can you create a new folder and you title it img, and you put your picture in there, and then you would just do slash img slash image.png or whatever you have. But right, for this example, I'm not going to be doing an icon, so we're going to save it and then you reload. So now it says website tutorial up there. That's what we want. Oops. Okay. Header. Hey, wait, what? You don't need this. What was I saying? What was I saying? Lost my train of thought. Alright, so I don't know. What should I make? Let's just do like something basic, I guess. Alright, so another thing you can do, you don't have to, but you can. So you go into your browser and you're going to search fontawesome.com. Or no, it's font.google.com. Fontawesome, I'll get to that in a second. So you want to go to Google Fonts, basically, and wait for that to load in. Cool. So basically, like, you pick what fonts you want, basically. So say I want Open Sans. We'll get that. Why not? If it will load. So we'll go ahead and get Open Sans. I'm just gonna grab all of the ones that aren't italics. Go away. Go away. Goodbye. Oops. Okay, so just every other one. I'm gonna search it. Bungee. Alright. Now select the style. So now, once you got all of your fonts selected that you want, you're going to click right up here, view your selected families. You're going to see this, You can do @import. I've never used it. Oh, but this would be CSS. This is CSS. This is these are. You're gonna paste it. It's one second, guys. Alright, whatever. But it has this particular editor. It has it has text wrap on. So like you don't scroll sideways. It just brings it down another line. It's not actually down another line. You see, it has 9 and it's just a double line. That's just because it's wrapping it for you. But anyway, you got that right there, like that. So let's make the title. So we're gonna go to index.css dot title, and then font family. We're gonna do these little what do you call it? Apostrophe? I don't know. But we're gonna type Bungie colon cursive. No, not cursor. Cursive. There we go. Font size. Let's do. You can do PX or PT. PT is smaller than PX, but it's all the same in a way. So let's I don't know, 50 PT I'm gonna do. And also guys, if you're brand new to CSS and HTML, or mostly just CSS, most coding languages, you put a semicolon to let it know you're done with that line. Because otherwise, if I got rid of that semicolon, and then let's do, I don't know, font weight. See how it doesn't syntax it purple? That's because it thinks you're going on with that line still, and that will make an error. So let's do color. That's the font color. I don't know. Let's do sky blue. How about deep sky blue? Position. Let's do fixed. And then save that. Go to index. You're gonna do. Let's go down a line. Div class equals title. Then we're gonna do website tutorial. Oops. Tutorial.tk. We'll do that. Now you can go back to your editor or your browser and refresh. It did not work. Okay. What did I mess up? Okay, what did I do wrong? I'm missing something. One sec, guys, I'll figure it out. Okay, I'm really stupid. I figured out what was messing up. I put it in the wrong spot. You're supposed to put it in where it says body, in between where it says body. So we put that, save, go back to your website. Okay, that wasn't the problem. Uh-oh. What if I did this? There we go. Now, ID. Let me go back to, maybe it's the font, I don't know. But it shouldn't be. yeah, font family, Bungee cursive. Let's go back to the CSS. Right here. Control V, tab, position. I'm obviously missing something, but what? Oops. Dude. Alright, I'll get back to you guys when I actually figure it out. Okay, I figured it out. It was this. You have to do dot slash. So save, refresh, and there we go. Now it's working. I'm gonna. That's a bit big. That's what she said. Let's make it, I don't know, 45 PT? 45, I think, sounds good. That .tk is throwing me off. Alright, let's do that. And then I'm gonna go TK. Just for the second part. You don't have to do that, guys. I'm just doing it because my OCD is going crazy. We're gonna do font, family. We're gonna do Bungee, cursive, font size 45 pt, color dark blue. And we're gonna go save. Next, get rid of this .tk. I'm gonna go div class tk. No, not class. ID equals tk, and then .tk. That should work. Oops. Let's go position fixed, position fixed. Alright, yep, now they're right there. And then for the TK, we're gonna go left. And I'd say that's about 45% of the screen, right? Oh, so close. Let's do 48%. It's a bit, well, maybe not. Okay, 50%. Third time's a charm. Reload. Because of my OCD, I'm gonna do 49.5%. Well, and then we're gonna go top, and because the font's really weird. Look at how much space I have left. Wait a minute. What if I change that to PX? I never thought of that, but what if I change that to PX, which is pixel? I feel like that would change things up a lot. Or not. Back to 50, or PT. So we're gonna go top, -1%, and just copy that. Yeah, that's not good. 4.5. So much time consumed just for a title. Now, let's do, I'm gonna put these back to class again, because I don't know, that's how I learned HTML, is I use class really. Like I when I first started, I only used IDs, but now I use class all the time. It kind of bugs me if I don't use class. Alright, now let's go .def. Position fixed, display block. My voice is really messing up. Background color. Let's do. By the way, guys, you can do RGB and hex codes. For a hex code, you just do the hashtag and then your hex, like FFF, that's white, FF, and then white plus 00, that's transparent. Or you can go RGB and then like 255, that's white. Or you can do RGB transparent, which is RGBA, and then let's do 255, oops, and then 0.5, that would make it half transparent, like that. But for right now, I'm just gonna go, or you can do white, like that. And the editor that I use, it has the examples, but yours might not. So let's do, what's a good color? Let's do gray, some kind of gray. Do dim gray. Also, if you want to do the background, like, say you don't want that to be white, all you do, it's really easy. You don't do a dot, and you don't do a hashtag, you just write the word. It's body, because it already recognizes the body right away. So you can do background color, and let's do, RGB 30, 30, 30, and that's going to be a very dark gray. So let's refresh. Okay, just like that. I'm actually going to change that, put a space, because it's kind of bugging me. Oops. There. Well, darn it. I'm screwing it all up. Alright, now we're going to put that back to 50. And I'm just going to assume that it's good. Alright, now, background color, oops, color, white. Alright. Oh wait, it won't show right there. You gotta add the HTML, duh. Now you're gonna go div class equals desk, I think I had it, and then hello, this is my website, something like that. Alright, something's messed up. Where is it? Okay, let's do top 45% left, 36.5%. Oh, I almost forgot. Padding. You can either do 1 which would basically make it padding all around it, so it would be like kind of like a square kind of thing. So if there's that amount of padding everywhere, or you can do it individually like this. You can do, by the way, the first value is height, second value is the width. So let's do 14px, 16px. Or also, you can do like padding bottom, stuff like that. You can also use that, but I prefer to use this method. Alright, see, just like that. Let's do font family. Let's do Lato, sans serif, font weight. Let's do 600 and see how that looks. Alright, that's not bad. Also, wait, hang on. I'm going to get rid of the padding, and we can do width. Let's do 50%. There we go. So 25% basically. So there's a lot of math basically, I don't know, whatever. So that it's centered, and then, oops, we don't need that. Height, 25%, and then, where's the top? Let's do 50, so then there's 25% between that and the bottom. There we go. If you want to make this round, you know, you go like this. Border, radius, let's do 25px maybe. Yeah, see? And then text, align, center. And I do not know why that didn't do anything. That's not good. Let's try that again. There we go. Text, alright, whatever. Okay, now, I don't know. I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Oh, I almost forgot the most important part. So basically, you save all this, make sure all this is saved. Save. And then, minimize that. That's Notepad++. I'm using that to figure out what I did wrong. Alright, so, got your website tutorial. Open up the folder, and you see it has all that in it. Now you're going to want to keep that nearby, so I'm just going to close this up, go back here, close that, and then you see right here, you're going to go add file, upload files, and then account has been flagged. I don't care. Alright, so I'm just going to drag mine in. So you highlight them, you drag them in, or you can just click on it and choose them there. So it's uploading. Commit changes. Just like that. So let's wait for it now. Processing. stuff like that. I notice my voice is getting quieter and quieter, and I don't really like it much. Alright, don't mess with these. This is your domain. Don't mess with any of this unless you absolutely know what you're doing. I don't even mess with it even. So you're gonna go to the website. So I did website tutorial.tk. Site not found. It should work in a minute. So I'm gonna keep working with this, guys, and I'll tell you when it pops up. It does take a few minutes to pop up. Alright, guys, so I can't show you really because GitHub, they flagged my account, so it's been disabled. So I can't show you exactly, but you're just gonna have to take my word for it. Here, I'll show you my website. There, realism.tk. See, there's my website. It's not fully updated. I've been working on it. That's not what it looks. That's not what it's gonna look like. That's not what it's gonna look like. It's gonna change completely. But that's basically what it's gonna look like when you get your stuff made. But I'll show you, because it's gonna be like HTTP instead of HTTP. So you're gonna click this left, like after 24 hours it'll be, and you can put HTTPS. But basically, yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did enjoy.